afternoon.
How are you?
I'm good, and you?
I'm okay. Welcome to Miss Malawi Auditions.
Thank
Feel free.
you. Yeah.
Okay, firstly, could you just introduce yourself, your name in full, your age, what do you do for a living, and why you want to become Miss Malawi?
My name is Sibongile Kadzakumanja. I'm 18 years old. I'm studying marketing at MCA. Oh, by the side, I'm currently working at MAVE Project as a marketing officer. I want to become Miss Malawi because I noticed that in this country the girl child is degraded, and then I don't think she has that freedom to much rights that she's supposed to exercise. For instance, well, I would talk about how a girl child is supposed to just get married like that. She's not ready to do that, but then she's forced to do so. And then she's at a very young age, which gives her, what can I say? It just gives her the opportunity, I would say opportunity, to have many children as possible because she's young and her body can withstand that. So she'll have more children than she's supposed to have, and then causing the population to just rise and increase like that.
Okay, thank you so much. From your introduction and you going into all that stuff, it makes me know that you are aware of the theme for Miss Malawi for this year.
Yes.
You do, right? So even though you've already gone into it, but I still want you to know, I still want to know what you would do. If you become Miss Malawi, what would you do to contribute positively towards management of our population in Malawi?
All right. If I get the chance and get opportunity to become Miss Malawi, I will try my level best so that to work with the organization or by myself and the facilities that will be given to me to help the girl child to be educated and then to have a bright future as much as possible. Because it is said that if you educate a girl child, then you have educated the country. Because we all know men are powerful, but then it's very rare to find a powerful woman. But when you find a powerful woman, it changes everything.
Okay. All right,
Yeah.
thank you.
Hey, girl, men are powerful, but I'll tell you what, women are more powerful than men. And the reason is simple. Mark Anthony, one of the great elders of Rome, said, men rule the world. Until now, because from November, women will be ruling the world. There will be Hillary Clinton as American president. There will be Angela Merkel as German president, who has been there for a long time, chancellor. And there's Theresa May as British prime minister. But in those days, Mark Anthony said, men rule the world. Women rule men. The time he was in love with the, Cleopatra, the queen of the Nile, the queen of Egypt. And he said, therefore, if women rule men, therefore, who rules the world? Women. Women rule the world. But thank you very much. The women are ruling now. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
So, what do you do at, where do you work again?
MAVE Project.
Yes, what is your role there?
In MAVE Project, we specialize in Chidede Zombaula and solar renewable energy. I'm in the solar department and I'm a marketing officer. So mostly my job is to go in the villages, little areas. We travel a lot. So we go there, the people like they're living in huts, but then we can still offer them the solar systems that we have. He said that they pay by credit and then they pay us slow by slow because how they are, the economic status.
Thank you.